Client comes to me and says, what's the purpose of a personal guarantee? Why would I require my customers to sign a personal guarantee whenever I rent or sell them equipment or whenever they contract for services? I think an example will illustrate the point. Let's say a small single-member LLC contractor comes in to your facility and rents an $80,000 piece of equipment, takes it out to a job site, destroys it, brings it back to you and says, oh, sorry, my insurance certificate's expired. And by the way, I only signed your contract under my LLC, not me personally. So your claims are limited to what's in my LLC, which is about $1,000 worth of cash. Because my LLC has a corporate shield of limited liability. And he's right. That's where personal guarantees come in. A personal guarantee cuts through that corporate shield of limited liability. It penetrates that and goes right through to the customer and the customer's assets. Now, if you sue, you take a judgment and you take it not only against that LLC, you take it against that individual. So how does that individual respond to that? Well, in a couple of ways. As you might guess, now you go to the top of the payment list, right? You're going to get paid first in full because that guy is not going to put his personal car, his boat, his plane, whatever else he's got under his personal name at risk. He's going to pay you before he pays anybody else and let all the other poor guys who relied just on his LLC sit there and not get paid. What else is going to happen though? He's also going to take better care of your equipment in the first place, right? Because in the back of his mind, he knows I'm personally on the hook for this equipment. This is the equipment that I'm going to get off the job site first in a storm, or if something goes wrong, which equipment is going to get protected quickest? Your equipment. That's why you use personal guarantees, because you know that there are personal motivations behind all of these business entities. And what you want to do is tap those personal motivations and get those people to protect your equipment and pay you first before anybody else, so that you get all of the benefit of all of the rights and remedies that you have under the law and protect your business. Get those personal guarantees signed every transaction, every time.